These are the elevators at 121 Champion Way at Southpointe in Cecil Township, Pennsylvania. These are more Thyssen over Oildraulics impulses. These ones, side opening, single side doors. They open the opposite way, or they open towards each other. I mean, well, I guess they're opposite. They just really spread apart. Get the right elevator. Loud door operator. Lower level. Here we go down. Here, lower level. Up to 3 if that's open, which it is. Here we go. The left L is a little weird. Here 3. Back down to 1. 88 phone, smartphone, Guardian protection. Candied camera phone, so I don't know. It's a basic laminate white cab, Dover cab. It's a Dover DMC, the Marshall sticker. Here, back 1 capacity. Oh, you know, what does the certificate say? 3,000. I think that's at 3,500. They try to correct it, but they didn't do a good job. Interesting setup here. I don't think that backsplash is original.